is going to be windy, warm with low relative humidity, the perfect recipe for high fire danger. So we do have a red flag warning today from 10 a.m. till 9 p.m. We could see wind gusts 40 to 45 miles per hour with humidity under 10%. Now this includes the Denver metro area. This also stretches for the majority of the eastern plains down to the south and also portions of the western slope today. So very critical fire danger. That's why we've declared today a first alert weather day for that high fire danger. So if you are headed out, especially this afternoon, you're going to expect those breezy conditions and very warm temperatures. So critical fire danger from 10 a.m. till 9 p.m. Wind gusts could reach 40 miles per hour with that near record heat. So avoid any activity that may produce a spark outside. Right now, the wind is light throughout the front range, so get out there and enjoy it this morning. We are seeing some breezy conditions around Berthoud Pass with gusts up to 28 miles per hour. And as we put the first alert wind gust forecast into motion, we really see the wind kick up after the lunchtime hour this afternoon. That's when we could see those breezy conditions through this evening. Now tomorrow we will see the wind die down just a bit, but it will still be breezy, not as breezy as today, but that wind will continue. So why are we seeing all this wind? We are sandwiched between high pressure and low pressure, and that pressure gradient is creating that very breezy condition. We will see a cool front pass through tonight, bringing a chance to see a rain-snow mix up in the northern mountains starting about 5 p.m. tonight. That's when we could see some rain start overnight. Not out of the question that we could see a stray shower down here, about a 10% chance. And then to start your Mother's Day, mostly dry conditions with plenty of sunshine. Again tomorrow afternoon, another chance that we could see a stray shower, but right now it's looking like it's going to stay dry here in the Denver metro area. Currently a very mild start to your Saturday. 66 degrees in Monument, 60 in Lyman, 58 in La Junta, and 49 in Aspen. Currently, over the next 12 hours, temperatures are going to climb into the upper 80s, if you can believe it, nearly 20 degrees above where we normally are for this time of year. We will see very breezy conditions, and by 7 p.m. tonight, still 81 degrees. So for today, high temperatures in the high country in the 60s and 70s, out on the western slope in the 80s. Down the southeast portion of the state will be in the 90s today, so a very hot start to your weekend. Here in the Denver metro area, 88 in Lakewood, 86 in Denver today, and 88 in Littleton. Overnight tonight will be mild in the mid-40s throughout the Denver metro area, and up in the high country we'll see 30s and 40s, 40s on the western slope and 40s and 50s on the eastern plains overnight. So today a first alert weather day for that high fire danger with a high of 87. Tomorrow slightly cooler, 79 for Mother's Day, a 10% chance to see a stray afternoon thunderstorm, and then next week warm and dry until at least Thursday, and then that's our next chance to see a sprinkle or two, and that continues Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. So we're keeping a close eye on that for you, because even though we saw that rain earlier this week, we could still use the moisture.
Absolutely.